Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2015 Mazda 3 and I'm going to show you the emergency way to open up the fuel filler cap. Now obviously this is normally done in the driver's footwell by pulling a lever, but if that cable is broken or the lever does not work anymore, I'll show you the emergency way to actually operate it. So we're going to go into the boot. We're going to need something to get some plastic poppers off, so I actually have this tool. So we're going to take this one off just here, and also we're going to take this one off just here. With those two off, we're going to be able to fold that carpet down, and then just in here you'll notice there's a cable here. Now there's a little bit of plastic this side and also one that side, so what you want to do is get your fingers on both sides and give that a pull, just to show you better on camera. You're going to pull that like that. And just to show you on the outside of the car, that has actually operated our fuel cap. So just to show you, closed, get your hand in there, just on the back of that bit of plastic. When you pop it, that actually opens up the fuel cap. So hopefully that will help you if you're stranded, need topping up fuel, and your fuel cap release is not working from the main cabin. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.